In this video, I'm going to cover how to change your YouTube handle. Your YouTube handle is basically your YouTube username. You can see mine here. It appears after the @ sign under my channel name, and mine is @TimelyTutorials. Um, People can also use your YouTube handle to find your YouTube channel by typing youtube.com/ and then the handle. So if you want to change this handle, you can click on the icon in the top right of YouTube and go to the YouTube Studio, or just get to YouTube Studio by going to studio.youtube.com and then logging into your account. Once you're in the YouTube Studio, you can click on the customization button on the left and then click on Basic Info. From here, you can see your YouTube handle and you can change it here, and then click Publish in the top right once you've set it to what you want it to be.